Antes de comenzar, te invito a que te suscribas a nuestro canal y actives la campanita de notificaciones para que no te pierdas ninguna historia inspiradora como esta. Esta es la inspiradora historia de Kevin Taylor, un hombre que sufrió una grave enfermedad llamada distrofia simpática refleja, la cual lo llevó a perder una pierna y quedar en silla de ruedas. A pesar de su situación, Kevin nunca se queja y enfrenta la vida con una actitud positiva. Su vida cambió radicalmente cuando conoció a su prometida, Kim Deadway, quien lo aceptó y amó más allá de su discapacidad física. Sin que Kim lo supiera, Kevin comenzó a tomar lecciones de fisioterapia en secreto, aprendiendo a caminar nuevamente. En su boda, Kevin planea sorprender a Kim levantándose de su silla de ruedas y caminando hacia ella por el pasillo, lo que demuestra el poder transformador del amor y la perseverancia. La historia transmite un mensaje de superación, positividad y la importancia de aprovechar cada día como si fuera el último. Disfruten de esta hermosa historia de amor.
You can't let it get to you.
13 years ago, Kevin Taylor broke his leg, then contracted a nerve disorder called RSD, or reflex sympathetic dystrophy.
I didn't really think much about it. I was, strong.
Within probably 10 years, he was in the hospital at least once a month.
Doctors told Kevin he was the worst case of RSD that they had ever seen. So in 2009, they amputated Kevin's leg, leaving him bound to a wheelchair.
And the most remarkable thing about Kevin, all that he's dealt with, he never complains.
The way I look at it, it could always be worse.
But last October, Kevin's life changed in one split second when he met his fiancée, Kim Deadway.
Walked in, he turned and had grin from ear to ear, and it was an instant connection.
The first time I saw her, it was love at first sight.
Kevin's wheelchair didn't matter. They fell in love.
Him being in a wheelchair never fazed her one bit.
I don't see the wheelchair at all. I never have.
She looks at me as I'm not in a wheelchair. I mean, she looks past that point.
It doesn't bother me because it's the person inside, not who they are physically. And his heart makes up for any lack of limb that he has.
So they are getting married at Caprock Winery.
He's the most amazing human being I've ever met in my entire life.
But what the bride doesn't know is that Kevin has been going behind her back and taking physical therapy lessons and actually learned how to walk. So today at their wedding, he's going to stand up and walk her down the aisle.
Whenever the preacher says, everybody please stand, I'm going to stand up. My groomsman is going to take my wheelchair from me. I'm going to walk to her.
It was just like love was the medicine he needed.
With Kim as his medicine, he's gained the strength to learn to walk.
And I'm going to make it the best day of her life.
I just saw him walk for the first time ever. And I'm blown away. I about fell over backwards. I honestly did.
From there on I'm going to be out of this wheelchair.
Proof that unconditional love can make miracles happen.
Nothing has stopped him before, but now that he's walking, there's nothing that's going to stop him. Nothing.
The lesson? Be positive, love often, and make every day count.
Live every minute of every day like it's your last day.
Ashley Claster, Fox 34, News at 9.